up, everybody? Welcome back. We are at the beach. Well, at the beach. We're going to the beach. It's a nice sunny day, a lovely Sunday. It's about, what time is it? 2:30?
No, maybe 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock? Yeah, 3 o'clock.
3:17.
3:17. We're going to head to the beach now because it's been very hot and trying to go later in the day, but it's still quite hot. Hear the sirens. But yeah, we're going to the beach. Should be fun. Right by the Kimpton again, just walking straight forward to the beach area.
You want to go to Tiki Beach, or you, because if we stay here, like there's no shade.
Yeah, we're going to the right. So we're just on this boardwalk that stretches back there. Hola.
What?
Which goes back by the Kimpton to Public Beach. It comes out here.
That's a nice place to have a wedding.
Yeah, the beach deck. But yeah, we're just headed further up here. It's like a, they call it Tiki Beach area. Very nice. Boy, it's sweating already, guys. Let's go this way. Nice little shelter area. There's a table here and some garbage. Or not garbage, but people's here. I go over here, I think. Yeah. Someone with some garbage, unfortunately. This is camp. So we arrived to our favorite spot. It's a real shame, guys, like you find this shit here. Find plastic. Found a pile right over here. I'm showing them right now, yeah. I wish I bought a plastic bag.
Maybe we can take it back in our cooler.
Yeah, perhaps. But yeah, someone drank some beers and left them here. Obviously, they don't care about the environment or the beach, which is really too bad. But yeah, we're in this nice little spot in 7 Mile Beach. Nice bit of water. And then you see how nice and clear the water is. Like someone left this paddleboard. But yeah, a lovely bit of sand. Definitely need to go in the water. I actually brought my snorkel gear too, so we'll see what happens. I might go and snorkel a little bit and see what I can find. So we're under this nice sea grape tree. You'll find them all along the beaches here in Cayman. My cake guapa, señorita. What's this? Nice shade, nice little breeze too. You can see a lot of people enjoying the beach today. Here in 7 Mile Beach. But perhaps time to go in the water. Beautiful. My mask is leaking a lot of salt water in my nose area. Oh, that's lovely out though. I saw a stingray, which is really cool. Some other fish. I'm not sure what kind of species they are, but it's lovely. nice though. Saw a lot of fish. So I just came out of the water. It's my first time snorkeling in probably a few months at least.
Yeah.
Thank you for my love who bought me a mask a few months ago. It's actually the first time I actually used it.
For Christmas?
Yeah. But I saw actually a stingray, which is pretty cool. I saw some other big fish. I'm not sure, I think maybe like grouper or snapper. And at the very end, I thought I saw a puffer fish underneath the rock, which I had a partial view of. So it was very nice. Very good clarity. Sunshine like this and a slight breeze. Very nice. Time to go back in the water, babe? As you can see, it's still a beautiful day. Great clarity. Yeah, this water is spectacular, guys. Very nice. A lot of people are here at the beach. You can see further down by the Kimpton and Public Beach, and further beyond there, there's lots of people. But we're just enjoying the water. Yeah, princesa. Enjoying the agua. The clarity of the water is fantastic.
You can see the sun.
See the ring.
Oh yeah, the ring shines a lot inside the water.
Sparkly. But we're going to enjoy the beach as much as we can. Boy. Welcome to Cayman. Look who I found in the water. Enjoying a cable.
A mermaid. No, I'm not drinking this.
One of the islands well-known beers, K-Brew. Cayman Islands, or the premium beer of the Cayman Islands.
Uy, the umbrella.
Refreshing. Beautiful water. A chica. Hola.
What is? Hola, hola.
We're here in this lovely spotted beach, which we frequent quite a bit. Right past the Kimpton, right straight ahead. And we're enjoying our Sunday. Lovely. A lovely day on the beach.
No, it's not wet. You want me to tell you a funny story about Evan? You see those trousers? I was like, babe, these are nice, let's get them for you. And then I'm like, let's get a size M. And he's like, no, they're too big, size S. I'm like, no, babe. I'm like, looking at them, both of them, I'm like, no, you definitely have to get a M. He's like, no, I think I'm a S.
Whatever.
Anyways, we decided to, because I didn't want him to later say I was wrong, or like, you know, this is too big, la la la. So I got him the S. And what do you think? It fits him nice.
It's a little tight,
but it's a little tight.
It's all good. As long as we don't put them in the dryer.
But you did today.
No.
Ah, no, you put them on the sun.
No, I let them hang.
That's what I'm saying. You put them under the sun. Mr. Cayman. I thought you were like so nice. I am recording, babe. I am the videographer today.
I'm empty.
Look at the water. It's like see-through. It's a busy day today. A lot of people on the water, on the beach.
Life is good.
You look so guapo.
Sun.
I am so lucky. You're so handsome. Mine. Solo mío.
All right, guys, it's time for us to leave the beach after a lovely, marvelous day here. Did some snorkeling right out front there. Very nice. I saw a stingray and some other kind of big fish. I think it was a grouper or a snapper. And yeah, the coral didn't look the best, to be honest with you, but we've had this issue, this coral disease. I think it's affected a lot of the area, unfortunately. Probably has to do with too many people the past years. But it's a lovely day, though. I'll show you the water again before we leave. It's just beautiful. Very clear. The clarity is amazing. Excuse me. But yeah, water is super clear. Amazing day. My Primadita, Gabby. Lovely day. Wish everybody can come enjoy these beautiful parts of Mall Beach. Hopefully very soon, guys. So we're making our short journey, which is very nice, back home. Before, I'm going to live in Lakeside. If you go to the beach, it would take us probably half an hour to get to and from. So now, what up, babe? Now it takes like less than 5 minutes, which is fantastic. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. Enjoy it, give us a thumbs up, and we will see you very soon. Our next vlog. So take care. Much love from all of us here in Grand Cayman. Take care. Peace out.